everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel CAD NEST. Myself Allauddin here, I'm a CAD engineer in CAD NEST. So let us discuss another topic in our Revit here. So that is how to use a shaft opening by using Revit. Like a shaft opening is nothing but it creates a vertical opening, okay, that spans multiple levels. Means like it will get cut multiple levels. Like you can cut level, floors, ceiling, roofs. You can cut at a time, multiple times. You can cut at once. So let us see how to cut this one. So for that one, what I'll do, so I'll just create some levels here. So I'm going to enter this level. After that, the points, click on that. Let it be, I have created 4 levels now. For this one, I'll just place columns. And along with column I'll take floor also and just finish. So this floor and column I'll select and copy to this multiple level. From level 2 to level 3 I'll make 4 I'll make this one. After that, what you can do now, here you can see this multiple floors at a time. If you wanted to cut, then you can use shaft opening. If I'll take shaft opening here, then which shape you wanted, in that shape you can take here, then you can cut the shape. After cutting the shape here, finish this edit mode. Once if you finish edit mode, then go to 3D. In 3D you can see this one here. So cut portion is cutted here, only 2 floors. So if you want to cut remaining floors also, you can just increase the white form. If I increase down, you can able to see this one, it was cutted here. So if you don't want to cut this down floor, then you can decrease from here. So it won't get cut, so remaining will get cut here. So like that, we are going to use this one as a shaft opening. So hope you understood. Like our video, subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for watching.